start with the topic arrays. Array is nothing but it is a collection of similar data elements stored in a consecutive memory location. Let's see, there are two types of arrays, that is single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Let's see how we will create arrays. Here I am defining a variable, that is cars is equal to, I am defining a list of cars, that is Volvo, BMW, Ford. Okay, these are the cars which I had taken. Okay, we will create array like this. If you want to find any one of the array from to access the elements from the array, to access elements from the array, the index value starts from 0. Okay, let's check. If I want to know, see, here we had successfully created our variable with some of the list. This is an array. So what I am doing now is I want to find cars of at the position of O. What is in the position of O? I need to find that. Let's see what will be the output now. What is this? Volvo. Here I have taken okay, let's run the. If I want to know, here I am creating the fruits, okay, which fruits list which will contain the fruits like apple, mango, banana. See, now I need to find fruits at the position of 1. What is it at the position of 1? It is mango. We will display mango. This is how we will find the elements by using array. Okay, if we want to find the length of the array, it's nothing but the length of array is nothing but this is the method, the len. This is the method. Okay, the len method is used to find the length of elements in the array. Okay, it is like this, or else we can also tell it as the number of elements in an array. Okay, this is also a description. See, let's see one example. How can we find the length of arrays? So I have some of see what I am doing here. I am checking, okay, the cars. See, here I am taking the cars. Now what I am doing, I am taking a variable x is equal to len of cars. That means I need lengths of cars. What I need to print? I need to print x. Okay, this is what I need to print. What is the length of the array? 1, 2, 3. This is the length of an array. Because now we will see about looping array elements. Looping is nothing but we have checked before in looping statements, that is for loop, right? Let's see the example. Looping array elements. See what I am doing, I need to print. What I need to do? I need to print for x in cars. Okay, if it is x in cars, what I need to do? I need to print x. Okay, what I need to do? I need to print x. Okay, what is the, so what are our car values? Let's take our car values, that is, see, let's print and check what is the output. X in cars, I had done one mistake, that is here I didn't use it, this, yeah. Okay, what is the output here? Volvo, BMW and Ford. This is how we will find. In a resin strings also we have seen, right? How can we add elements? Okay, adding elements in an array. Adding elements in an array. Let's check. Adding elements, array elements. Okay, see. Adding array elements. Okay. This is what we are doing. To add animal elements, what we need to do? We need to use the method append. What we need to use? We need to use the, see what we need to do? We need to use the append. So I am adding a element into my array. Okay, into my cars list. What I am adding? I am adding Honda. Okay, this is what I need to add. Okay, this is what I need to add. Let's check the output. What we will get? What we will get? It will be added at the end. Okay, what I need to print? Print of cars. Okay, this should be printed. Let's check. Volvo, BMW, Ford and Honda. Now I need to find the length. Okay, what I will do? What is the length of cars? That is 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I need to append one more element in cars, okay? Cars dot append. I need to add one more element like Ertiga. Okay, this is what I added. Ertiga, let's take it as capture Ertiga. What we will I get? See what I need to do? I need to print cars, right? Print cars. What will be the output now? Volvo, BMW, Ford, Honda, Ertiga. Okay. I'm appending multiple times. If I had appended, see, let's check the length of the cars. Okay, now I need to check the length of cars. Length of cars. What is the length of cars? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also takes the duplicates. Even if we have the Ertiga, we can append any number of times. Okay. So we had successfully found the length and we had appended multiple times Ertiga. And if I want to find the array, okay, index value at the particular location, I need to change. I need to change the element at cars of at the position 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 at 4th position. I need to change as Safari. Okay, Safari. What I need to do now? I need to print cars. Print of cars. Let's check the output. What we will get at the position of 4th, at the 4th position, the Ertiga will be replaced. This is called replacement. We can also use like this also. We had replaced to Safari. So I have another Ertiga, right? I want to change that one also. Cars of at the position of 5, I need to change it as Kia. I need to change it as Kia. What I need to do? I need to print of cars. What will our output? Volvo, BMW, Ford, Honda, Safari, Ertiga, Kia. Right? At the position of 5th position, we have changed our car name. So now what I am going to do? Now what I am going to do is, so I need to find at the position of at particular position what is see x is equal to cars of at the position of 5th position. In 5th position, what is it located? Now what I need to do? Print of x. What is the particular thing we have located in the 5th position? 0th position, 1st position, 2nd position, 3rd position, 4th position. At the 5th position, we have Kia, right? Let's take another example. X is equal to, I need to find cars of at the position of 6. I need to find the position 6. what I am doing, print of x. What we will get? We will get Ertiga. Okay. If I want to find the length of cars, what is the length of car here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is none another 7. Because we had, this is index. The index value, the range of the index is 6. And but for length, the total length of the cars is 7. This is our example. We can also copy the elements. We can also clear. See, let's take one another example. What I am doing is, I need to get copy cars. Let's check the example. What will be the output now? Okay, copy of cars. See, now what I am doing, x is equal to print x. Let's check the output. Okay, here I had done something wrong. Let's check. Cars dot copy so what I am copying, I'm copying the element Ertiga. Let's check. Pinch print of cars. Print of cars. Let's take another example. List dot copy. Take no arguments, one given. Okay. Okay, let's check. Wait. If I want to append, oh, I had already done append, right? Let's check again. What I am doing here is I am appending. Okay. In cars, I need to append Honda. Okay. At this position, what I am doing, reverse. Okay, I want to reverse Honda. What we will get? Let's see. Car dot reverse Honda. Okay, cars dot what we have taken, append, right? Append. Cars dot append is equal to what we have get, Volvo, BMW, Ford and Honda. We have many different types of methods. We have many different types of methods like, so if you want to remove, see how we can remove the arrays, removing the array elements. How can we remove the elements? See what I am doing here. Here cars dot pop, the position of 1 I need to, what we have again, BMW, 0th position, 1st position. Okay, if I need to remove cars dot, if I want to remove, what I am going to remove is Volvo. I want to remove Volvo. What we will get? Print of cars. What we will get? We will get Volvo will be removed and we will get Ford and Honda. Okay. This is one more example. This is called removing the arrays. We have many different types of methods like, see, let's check the arrays methods. So append, which is used to add the elements. Add the elements, right? We can add the elements where it will be added at the end of the list. Okay, we have checked the example also. And the another thing is, remove. What is remove? What is remove? Remove is nothing but we can remove the first item with the specified value. Removes the first element with the specified value. Okay, the specified value. And one more thing is, what is the pop? We had done pop, right? What is pop? Pop is nothing but, what is pop? Pop is nothing but it removes the elements, removes the elements at the specified position. Okay. And what are the things we have seen? We have seen a pen. We have seen even length also, right? We have seen length, about length also. LENGTH, length. This is another method which we have learned. Length. It's nothing but LEN. Okay. What it will do? It will finds the length of an array. Length of an array. Okay. This is one thing. And some more what we have done? We have find with the index, right? What is index? It is nothing but it returns the index of the first element with the specified value. What is it? It returns the index of the first element with the specified value. Okay, these are the methods which we have learned. Okay, this is the topic which we learned about arrays. This is the topic. Okay, in next class we will discuss about Python OOPS. It's nothing but OOP is nothing but object oriented programming language in the next class. Okay, thank you.